Okay, in this screencast, I'm going to show you how to use a feature in Schoology that I call a speed grader. It's a really helpful little tool. Let me just pick something at random here. Let me just open up this particular assignment from April 1st, and I'm going to show you where this speed grader is. You'll notice that in Schoology you have this little box here which it says Edit Grades. I call it a speed grader too. And let me show you how you can use it. So here it is. It opens up this particular box, and you'll see that this particular student did not submit the assignment, right? So I'm just going to put in the words missing here and then click on it. Now I can actually copy that comment and scroll and see where someone else is missing this as well. Give them a grade, go ahead and put it in there. Put the Control V and go ahead and put missing in there so they know what the instruction is. And then continue on down until I see, yeah, everyone else has turned it in. Now this happened to have been a formative assessment, so you got points if you did it and didn't really lose anything if you didn't. And notice what I did here. I just went ahead and put in 3, and I can go down and put in 3. Let's say I wanted to change the grade. I'm just going to put in 1, 1, 1, etc., and then over here I have submitted. Just let me copy it. Submitted complete, and I'm going to edit all these, speed grade all these, put down submitted complete. Again, make sure you click on these boxes so the students can see it, and then change them all to 1. Okay, etc., etc. And you see how it works. And I just continue on here. Control V, show the student. Make sure you put the 1 in there. Now, the nice thing about this, and then missing, of course, and I'm just going to put a no grade there because that's what that means. Or excuse me, it's not missing anymore. So I just put a 1 there. Control V, submitted complete. Okay, now the nice thing about doing it this way, you guys, is that once you've hit the saved changes, all the grades appear here. I'm going to go back and change these later, but you get the idea. It's a speed grader. It goes much more quickly than if you had to open up each one individually. And the nice feature that Schoology has is you can just go over to PowerSchool at that point, click on PowerSchool app, hit the sync button, and then the name of this assignment, all the comments that you made, all the grades that you have automatically go into PowerSchool, and you don't have to enter twice. The other feature that's really nice about this is that the kids can see all your comments, and every single assignment they've ever done for the year is located in their grades on their Schoology page. Okay, so let me just go back and redo this again. So there's 1, there's a 3, 3, 3, etc. I'm going to change it really fast. Okay, like I said, this is really a good feature for formative assessments, ones that there is not a, let's say, a real need to have like a, quote, an A in terms of it just needs to be completed, that sort of thing. Okay, I hope this was helpful to you.